Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Wednesday, October 21st. It's 6:57 a.m. here in the Arizona desert, and it goes without saying, you may have noticed that PayPal is allowing cryptocurrency buying, selling, and shopping on its network. I don't believe that's quite opened up yet, but it's going to. It does say starting early July 2021. So this is a big deal. If you haven't noticed it, you haven't looked at the charts today. With that said, let's look at Coin360, which is always lagging. There it is. It's showing Bitcoin at 12,382 this morning, up 5%. That's pretty rocking in general. The market's looking pretty darn good. I'm surprised with such a big Bitcoin pump that the alts didn't get more crushed, but maybe it's the PayPal news kind of exciting the entire market. Litecoin up over 10%. That is rocking. And XRP, so many hopes and dreams on XRP are held. It's up 3.3%. All right, looking at volume today, 1.9 billion volume for Bitcoin. That is insane. Over a billion of that is on Binance. And then, of course, slightly behind, or I should say way behind, on Coinbase, you've got 265 million. And then, Bitstamp's above Kraken today. So Bitstamp, 166 million. And Kraken, well, it'll have to handle being in fourth place today at 163 million. So 1.9 billion. We'll probably see over 2 billion within the next 20 today at some point. So that's amazing. Amazing volume, big stuff. Longs versus shorts. Sentiment on Binance, where most volume is, 63% long, and a few negative, shorters who just don't really like light or life or anything. There's 36% shorts on Binance. All right, looking at the SPX, the S&P 500 today, we got a green candle starting. Looking at the Russell 2000 index, we have a green candle. Neither's particularly strong. U.S. strength, U.S. dollar strength, or I guess you could say U.S. strength also with that. But U.S. dollar strength is definitely, the DXY is taking a dump today. So, and it has been. So it's funny, the market is kind of sideways last 2 days, and the DXY, the dollar strength index, is dumping. Looking at the KRE, the bank strength, the U.S. bank strength index, as I call it, it's just a way to measure it. It's still challenging that 200 moving average on the daily, so we shall see. Banks are getting stronger, if anybody cares. All right, Bitcoin on the daily. Look at this beautiful uptrend. We have broken the heartbeat of an upwards channel. This is wonderful. We're coming in at 12,439 at this very moment. The MACD is beautifully separating. That histogram, as we can see, is getting wider. This is a beautiful spot for the MACD. We are showing an incredibly strong Bitcoin this morning on the daily. If we can keep support above that heart line right now, that would be around 12,200. So it'd be nice if we didn't get a retrace past 12,200, and it's definitely possible. All right, looking at the 4-hour chart here, we had an upwards channel rocking along, and as you can see, boom, we have rocked right past that upwards channel. So, and also even a previous support resistance in the chart. So we are in no man's land. Let's see where we retrace to, if we do at all. 12,200, 12,400 are all possible supports we might find today. Directional index is absolutely rocking. And we are showing ADX and directional index are really rocking on the 4-hour chart. We are showing a bit of oversold here, but who knows how long that will last. The stochastic RSI definitely oversold, but it may just stay oversold for a while and keep going. Looking at this 45-minute chart, we have been in a beautiful uptrend, and we just broke the top of that channel also. So, DI looking good, ADX looking good, RSI, stochastic RSI still has room to go. So in general, we are just pumping like crazy this morning. Let's look at that market one more time before we sign off here. Oh, there we go. Look at that, come on, go back. Anyway, oh, there it is. Boom. Look at that beautiful green market. I really feeling good for everybody who has been in Litecoin down in the dumps recently. You definitely got a pump. Hope you're all in profit. Theta's looking nice and strong. Got some definite, what can I tell you? This is just beautiful. I love seeing it. All right, everybody. If you have any questions about the indicators I use, etc., go to whatisанoperator.com, click on Bitcoin Daily View. Definitely do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join the Bitcoin Daily View Telegram group. We do chat about things, starting to get some people in there. Also join the Telegram group that I have, which just it kicks out 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily 200 moving average crosses against USDT, against Bitcoin on Binance. It's worth a look if you care about such things. All right, take care, everybody. Goodbye.